my channel, guys. Hope you guys are doing well. Today I'm accompanied with my friend Mohammed, and we're going to be making Pizza Hut style cookies, and I hope you guys enjoy seeing the video, and let us begin.
Alright guys.
Okay guys, so we just poured in the oil, and now we're going to be putting up the sugar now, 1/4 cup of the sugar. So we have brown, except me, and white, but
Put white first, always, before brown.
Zam is struggling with the sugar.
Zam, you sure you don't need help?
no, I'm good. What's your
Just rip it off, I guess. Yeah, you just need to rip it off. Yeah.
So we're starting off with white now because it's just
Technical difficulties.
Technical difficulties. This is 1/4, right? Yeah.
I have no idea. Don't do that, don't get. Use it. Told you not to work.
Big knife on this mix.
Take it back. It's not as smooth as the white one, not gonna lie.
No. Okay, so guys, now here we are gonna be.
Yeah.
We were supposed to add 3/4 brown sugar, however we mistakenly added 1/4. So as you can see, we added a half cup of half cup of sugar, and now he's going to be pouring it in.
So I just do it?
Yeah, you should just do it.
There you go.
Brown sugar.
It's not the same experience as white, so I'm not really going to talk too much.
Brown sugar is more easier to handle.
Allow the smash.
There you go.
Perfectly cracked.
Yeah. Don't
Yes.
ask me.
Man, you're just as thick as your forehead.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so while he's beating up the eggs,
This is child labor.
yeah,
Go on.
child abuse, yeah. So 1/4 cup of oil, so just have you have to add vegetable oil. After 2-3 minutes of stirring this, after adding the oil, we have to be adding a half tablespoon or a half teaspoon of salt. So we'll be adding just half, okay? Just half. Good enough. And then you continue on the mixture for 2-3 minutes. Okay, so after adding a half teaspoon of salt, we are now going to be adding a half teaspoon, 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence. So we just add 2 teaspoons.
Is that already in the camera?
Yes.
Come here, boy.
Then we start the mixture once again.
Put it in the bottle.
Okay guys, so now we're going to be adding one cup of Hershey chocolates. So here, chocolate chips I mean. So yeah, and chocolate chips. Just 1 cup, okay?
Nah, man, 2 cups. What do you mean? Was done when one of the kids in the basement escaped.
Oh no.
We'll be
Okay.
back, guys. We'll be back.
Then we're back to the mix.
In the basement, so we can continue now and work.
Bro,
Okay.
you're supposed to be using a spatula for this. Bruh. You know what these muscly sleeves now? Get them in the black market for like the cheapest price.
Okay, I can do it.
Okay, you can,
I
yeah.
can go now.
Gonna do it right this
Fine,
time.
on the camera.
Or no food tonight. Sheldon Cooper here again.
Just doing my life's work, guys.
Okay guys, so after my sleeve had successfully done the work,
Mm-hmm.
so this is how the mixture should look like for you. Yeah, hopefully, if I'm doing this right. Hopefully if he did this right actually.
Yeah.
So now we have to add 2 cups of flour. Alright.
Yeah, flour.
Yeah, same thing.
It's not floor.
Sheldon Cooper, can you answer why flour is white? Oh, you got the wrong line.
I'm not allowed to talk, sorry.
Okay, so 2 cups of flour. So we just
Flour.
So, guys, 1 teaspoon of baking powder now. So, as you guys can see, we're stirring now. Have to get my mustard to come back. Right. You see this? Perfect cookies.
Guys, please don't cancel us. We're just starting out.
Starting off, we're starting off the right way.
Believe me.
Okay, we're almost about to be done. Thank you for coming at the end after me doing all the work. Typical muscly behavior. Fun going on.
I'm sorry, master. Oh, so, Zaman, what are your thoughts as we are approaching your final stages of baking?
I'm not doing this again.
What if this video gets popular? Would you still do it again?
If this video gets 1,000 likes,
Oh.
which is impossible, oh, like let's not over. Please, I said let's say 100 likes as well. We'll make a part 2 of something harder.
Alright,
Guys,
guys.
comment down below.
Alright, guys, you've got a challenge. You know what to do.
So the bottom shot like this.
Yeah, I just follow this. What?
Now I'm keeping it on. Let's see how it goes.
Okay, what else? كيف حالك؟
أهلا
كيف؟
How did you escape from the basement?
Don't worry, I'll be back. Just give me some time.
Mira, leave right now.
One second, I need to think.
Up. Up, man. Hello boys, we finally finished the cooking. We're gonna sit for like 5 minutes until it cools down a bit, and
time for the moment.
So how was it?
It was. It's better than nothing. No, it's not garbage. But yeah.
It's very delightful. It's very, very nice.
Yeah, delightful. Yeah, 100%. Gosh, yeah.
No, okay, it's not trash, okay? It may not look the best, but it's good.
Oh
Trust
yeah,
me.
definitely it is good. Yeah, 100%, 100%. Yeah.
I'm sending you to the next guy who comes. You're at auction now.
Oh no.
So where is that going?
We're gonna be posting it soon.
At till I eat with my hands. Wow, it's yummy. Not bad.
Trust.
Are you sure we're doing this?
Yes, come on, man.
Yes, my son. Go ahead. You're about to taste heaven right now.
Wait.
How is that, my dear Syrian, beautiful, perfect body cake?
No, that's actually good.
It's good?
Not joking.
It's good?
Wallah, it's good.
What about you?
So I'm scared that I'm gonna get poisoned after this.
Yeah, it has a lot of poison.
Maybe.
I like how the texture is. I like how the exquisite taste that really melts in the mouth. I like how the chocolate is really stuffed into it. However, one thing that I would like to say is that the structure of the cookie is really bad. You should form it into an actual cookie. Oh.
YouTube video.
Yeah.
Say wallah you didn't put nothing in it.
Well, I put nothing. It's my video.
It's too risky.
Too risky. Okay, it's too risky, okay.
Let me try this.
Can I be in the same video?
Wait, let them be in a video. I'm just gonna.
Wait. I'm just gonna take also half of it.
Yalla.
Let me take this.
Are you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording. Just save it back. Okay, eat it. Try.
Well, so good. Can I have another?
Try.
Is it like eggs?
Oh, fucking shit, man. How is
Bro,
it?
anything baked like that? Oh,
Water break, guys, behind the scenes, you know. You get this if you follow us on Patreon. You get this footage later on. And I'm gonna join the gang back there.
Back to the Egyptian gang, yeah.
Good times. Do I do it? What governors?
Just throw it there.
Yeah.
Just throw it
I
there.
pressured it too much.
Okay guys, so right after adding the 1 teaspoon of salt, we have to add
Learn from the white guy.
The mustard.
They don't even know that. We need a knife now, guys.
what else?
I am the Shadow Master. I live in the shadows.